Hello, and welcome to Flip the Coin, where we bring you the latest news and trends in the world of food and culinary delights. In this video, we will be embarking on a mouth-watering journey to explore the rich and diverse flavors of African cuisine. Africa's culinary landscape is as vast and diverse as the continent itself, with each region boasting its unique ingredients, cooking techniques, and traditional dishes. From the aromatic spices of North Africa to the bold flavors of West Africa and the savory stews of East Africa, African cuisine is a treasure trove of deliciousness. So, let's indulge our taste buds and dive into the delightful world of African food. North African cuisine. North African cuisine, influenced by the Mediterranean and Arab culinary traditions, is renowned for its vibrant spices and flavors. Dishes like Moroccan tagine, a slow-cooked stew with tender meat or vegetables, and couscous, a flavorful semolina grain, are staples of Moroccan cuisine. Tunisian cuisine boasts dishes like brick, a crispy pastry filled with eggs and tuna, and harissa, a fiery chili paste that adds a kick to many dishes. West African cuisine. West African cuisine is a celebration of bold and savory flavors. Dishes like jollof rice, a one-pot rice dish cooked in a flavorful tomato sauce, and fufu, a starchy accompaniment made from yams, cassava, or plantains, are beloved across the region. The use of spices like ginger, garlic, and chili peppers adds depth and complexity to the dishes, while ingredients like palm oil and groundnut sauce provide a distinctive taste. East African cuisine. East African cuisine is characterized by its use of aromatic herbs and spices, as well as its love for hearty stews. Ethiopian cuisine, in particular, is famous for its injera, a spongy flatbread used as both a utensil and an accompaniment to various stews and curries. Dishes like doro wat, a spicy chicken stew, and misir wat, a flavorful red lentil stew, are staples of Ethiopian dining. Southern African cuisine. Southern African cuisine reflects the region's diverse cultural influences. South African cuisine, in particular, showcases a fusion of African, European, and Asian flavors. Dishes like boboti, a savory meat casserole with aromatic spices, and barwers, a traditional sausage, are iconic South African dishes. The region's love for braai barbecue adds a smoky and flavorful touch to various meats and dishes. Central African cuisine. Central African cuisine is a blend of flavors from neighboring regions, with an emphasis on root vegetables, plantains, and palm oil. Dishes like cassava fufu, a staple made from cassava flour, and saka saka, a delicious spinach and groundnut stew, are popular in Central African countries. The use of locally available ingredients makes the cuisine hearty and comforting. African street food. African street food is a delightful experience, offering an array of delicious snacks and quick bites bursting with flavors. From Nigerian suya, spicy grilled meat served with sliced onions and tomatoes, to South African bunny chow, a hollowed-out bread filled with curry. Street food in Africa is a treat for the senses and a reflection of the region's culinary creativity. African pastries and sweets. African pastries and sweets showcase the continent's love for indulgent treats. Malva pudding, a moist and syrupy sponge cake from South Africa, and Algerian makroud, a sweet pastry filled with dates, are just a few examples of the delightful confections found across the continent. These desserts offer a perfect ending to a satisfying African meal. African beverages. African beverages are a refreshing complement to the flavorful cuisine. Moroccan mint tea, sweetened with sugar and flavored with fresh mint leaves, is a beloved drink in North Africa. In West Africa, hibiscus-infused bissap and the creamy and nutty drink called kunu are popular choices. South Africa's rooibos tea and Ethiopia's traditional coffee ceremony are revered for their unique flavors and cultural significance. African cuisine is a celebration of flavors, spices, and culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations. From the aromatic tagines of North Africa to the bold stews of West Africa and the savory injera of East Africa, African food delights the taste buds and offers a window into the continent's rich cultural heritage. Whether indulging in the street food delights, savoring the traditional dishes, or enjoying the delectable pastries and beverages, African cuisine is a journey of culinary discovery that leaves a lasting impression. As we celebrate the delightful and unique flavors of African food, let us embrace the diversity and richness of this culinary treasure trove.